do you check in the pedestal?
Check for connection, see if the ground.
Remember, you open one of the windows in the pedestal, and you have hot bus bar, neutral bus bar, and ground bus bar. Before you disconnect the short power cable, touch the cable and touch the breakers with your finger. This is good. That's to add the breaker number 3. That breaker is for this outlet, and this outlet is of the neighbor boat. Let me touch the one. Oh, the short power cable is hot. Something is wrong in that boat, not in my boat. You understand? When you enter in the boat, what is the number 1? What is the number 1?
Examine the corrosion.
Yeah. What is the element that you need checked immediately you enter in the boat?
I would see the sinks.
Okay, before you enter in the boat, you can check the sinks. Okay, the sinks are in normal condition. A little eroded, that's normal.
The shore power connection on the boat? You check
The
that?
short, correct. Yeah. We finished with that, and now I enter in the boat.
Yeah, so you the panel, right?
Okay, go to the panel, AC panel and DC panel. Okay? Before I start with any analysis, I say to the captain or the engineer, the manager of the boat, my friends, I want that you turn off all the breakers, AC and DC. Everything off. Off. Okay. Are you sure that everything is off? Bow throttle. Oh yeah, bow throttle. Off. Okay. You refresh to him, no? Water make. Oh, sorry, water make. Because those elements are isolated, and normally you have leaks over there. Yeah. Those elements are isolated with your own switch.
Yeah.
But you know more. You ask to him, hey, my friend, water make. Oh, yeah, water maker. Disconnect the water maker. You have an auxiliary additional battery chargers. Oh yes, I have other small one for electronics. Okay, go ahead. Disconnect. Off. Everything is off? Yes. Now you go to the AC panel and DC panel and you check the on meters. You remember that at the beginning of the electrical class, I said that the clamp is good, is accurate to check amps AC. Yes or no?
Yep.
Yeah.
For amps DC, I say that I don't like the clamps because the signal is straight and it's not positive negative. It's difficult to read how many amps pass per minute in a DC cable. But today the technology advanced, and there are a lot of DC clamps with excellent performance.
Yeah.
DC clamp for the ground. Pay attention. This is a good clamp for AC and DC. You see? For AC and DC. Yeah? This is an excellent clamp for AC and DC. Pay attention. In this moment, I saw 3 amps, 5 amps in the DC. And it's supposed that everything is off. And let me check the AC panel. Oh, in the ammeter I have 1 amp. Let me go to the ground cable in this boat.
The last class in the corrosion, we went to the one there by
And
it had 0.5 volts in the water.
Oh, really? Yeah, I remember.
Remember?
Oh, with the silver chloride?
Yeah,
You found that?
0.5 volts in the water.
Wow.
And we went all the way. We did different areas, and it was 0.5, no matter where you went.
For that reason, my friends, when you talk with the managers, it's important that you be 100% sure about your complaint. You need to be 100% sure before you call the manager, because the manager came like this, no? What happened? Everything is clean. No, papi. It's not perfect. I am going to demonstrate that. No! Can I demonstrate? Okay. And you demonstrate to him. You remember those copper terminals?
Yeah.
How is the connection in those copper terminals if the washers are in copper? It is properly connected. And also, check at the beginning of the bonding conductor if the bonding conductor is properly connected with the negative DC in the DC panel, negative bus bar, and also with the ground bus bar in the AC panel. Remember that the ground bus bar and the negative in the DC, both of them should be connected to the bonding conductor. If those bus bars are not connected with the bonding conductor, your bonding system is decorative, it's doing nothing. Doesn't matter if all the elements are connected to the bonding conductors, the bonding element, the bonding material is not connected with the negative bus bar and the ground bus bar. The circle is not closed. The loop is not closed. Everybody follow me? Normally, the problem that I found that 90% of the boats is everything is perfect, but it's not connected with the negative and it's not connected with the ground. Finito.